How to remove phone number from Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from your Snapchat account. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on to the Snapchat application itself, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Snapchat is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button to ensure that you will have the latest features within the app. After you have made sure that your Snapchat is up to date, let's just head on and open Snapchat right here. And from the camera page, just click on your profile or Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. After that, let's click on this gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner right here. And as you can see, I have a mobile number that is currently linked to my Snapchat account rather. Just click on the mobile number option just below the birthday option. And you can also have the option to let others find you using your mobile number. So you can also toggle that off if you don't want anyone to find you using your phone number. So basically, a mobile number makes it easier for you to recover your account and also for you and your friends to find each other on Snapchat and more. But if you want to remove your phone number from your Snapchat account, from here, you can't just actually erase like this and go back to the page because it will still link like that. So what we're going to do is from the settings page, let's just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the log out option. Click on log out again. And what we need is another Snapchat account. So I actually have another account right here. When I swipe, I can just log into it. But if you don't have another account, just click on the sign up option at the bottom part of the screen. So once you have created an account, just click on that or log into that account. Click on maybe later if this pops up. And click on your profile or Bitmoji icon again at the top left corner and click on settings. So what we're going to do is to set the mobile number for this account to that mobile number that is a link to the Snapchat account you want to remove your phone number from. So I'm just going to type in the number, click on verify, and I'm just going to verify it through a text message. And click on continue once you have put in the code. And now that mobile number is linked to a new Snapchat account. So once we re-log into that account that we want to remove the mobile number from, just going to log out right here. Gonna log into that account. I want to remove the mobile number. And as you can see, I don't have any mobile number that is linked to this account. So that is how you can basically remove your phone number from your Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.